I'm Jim Green, NASA Chief Scientist, and I'm here today to speculate on the very important question, how will we discover life beyond Earth? First, let me clearly state that as of today, we do not have definitive proof that life has occurred beyond this beautiful blue planet we call Earth. However, we've accumulated a significant amount of what I call circumstantial evidence that life may now, or even in the past, have existed beyond Earth. With that, let me now speculate. I believe we'll be able to find definitive evidence of life beyond Earth first in the solar system before we find evidence on exoplanets. So, where will we find this evidence? Actually, it may be in several places in the solar system. First, there is Mars. Curiosity has found all the basic building blocks of life: carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, phosphorus, and sulfur, including some really complex organic molecules. So with NASA's next mission, Perseverance, landing in February of next year, and starting that sample return campaign, evidence of past life on Mars may be in the rock record in the samples that we bring back from Mars by the end of this decade. Now, in addition, Mars is also emitting methane and oxygen. These gases are some of our top indicators of life, and perhaps being emitted by life, present life, on Mars today. Maybe this life currently lies in the underground aquifers on the red planet, or closer to the surface, where ESA and its rover, Rosalind Franklin, may find evidence by this mid-decade. Next, we have the ocean worlds, like Europa and Enceladus, moons of the outer planets Jupiter and Saturn. These moons contain vast quantities of water underneath an ice shell, with what we believe are hydrothermal vents at the bottom of their oceans. If these environments are anything like our own deep ocean hydrothermal vents, then they will be teeming with life. Perhaps we will find evidence of life in these ocean worlds if life spews out of the surface cracks on Europa as the Europa Clipper flies through them. And that may occur towards the end of this decade. And finally, the moon at Saturn, Titan, that holds also great promise for harboring life, but life completely different than us, since the liquid it may use would be liquid methane and not liquid water. Perhaps the NASA mission Dragonfly will find that evidence when it lands on Titan in the next decade. Well, there you have it. This is an exciting race that I think the solar system scientist will discover life first beyond Earth. Thank you very much.